Replacing a car battery. The actual process of replacing a car battery is surprisingly quick. If you know what you're doing, it can take as little as 10 to 20 minutes. Here's a rough breakdown of the steps involved. 1. Preparation. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools: a wrench, gloves, and safety glasses. Also, ensure the car is turned off, and ideally, wear protective clothing. 2. Remove the old battery. Open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Remove any brackets or clamps holding the battery in place. Lift the battery out carefully. It's heavier than you might think. 3. Install the new battery. Place the new battery in the tray. Secure it with the brackets or clamps. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Make sure the connections are tight. 4. Final steps. Close the hood. Start the car to ensure the new battery is working properly. Why it might take longer. While the actual replacement is quick, a few factors can lengthen the overall time. Finding the right battery. If you need to go to the store to buy the correct battery, this can add time. Corrosion and cleanup. Sometimes the terminals can be corroded, requiring you to clean them before installing the new battery. Traffic and weather. If you need professional help, driving to and from a mechanic shop can take time, especially if you live in a bustling city like Portland. Professional service. Taking your car to a professional can also add to the duration. While the actual replacement still only takes about 10-20 minutes, you might spend additional time waiting in line or dealing with paperwork. DIY versus professional. If you're comfortable with basic car maintenance, you can easily replace a battery yourself and save both time and money. But if you're hesitant, it's worth paying a mechanic to ensure it's done right. Stay prepared. Knowing how to replace a car battery is a simple yet crucial skill that can save you a lot of hassle in unexpected situations. Keep an emergency kit in your car, including tools needed for battery replacement, just in case. And hey, if you live somewhere like Portland where the weather can be unpredictable, it's even more reason to be prepared. So, with a little preparation and the right tools, you'll be back on the road in no time.